Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Bifrost Wallet. So let's get started. If you are trying to log out or sign out of your Bifrost wallet, then first make sure that you're inside the main wallet page for Bifrost. Once you're on this screen, tap on the settings or the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, if you scroll through the settings menu, you won't be able to find the logout button inside the app. So in order to sign out or log out, you'll need to delete the wallet. But remember that before deleting your wallet, you must back up your recovery phrases so that you can get hold back to your wallet whenever you want. Simply go ahead and tap on the recovery phrase button under security in the settings tab. Go ahead and type in your PIN code for your wallet. Now, tap the little square box at the bottom left and tap continue. Tap on proceed in the pop-up to show your recovery phrase. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase confidential. Go ahead and note down the recovery phrases in the correct order in a piece of paper, or make sure to save it somewhere safe in a secure folder. Once you go ahead and have the backup for this, you can get back and from the settings menu, tap on delete wallet at the bottom. As long as you've backed up your recovery phrases, you'll be able to recover your wallet anytime you want. Tap the delete button in the pop-up to continue logging out. And there you have successfully logged out of your Bifrost wallet within a few minutes. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.